Amphan super cyclone has wreaked havoc in West Bengal. Right now we are in Sunderban, which is the largest and the fastest growing delta in the world.
We drove around for 4 hours to reach Godkhali with relief materials by Meghdutam Foundation, well supported by N&R Kanani Trust for 350 people, comprising of food essentials of around 17 items in each packet, along with mosquito nets, tarpaulins and medicines.
সুন্দরবনে মনমথ নগরের 7 নম্বর ঘাটে এসে নেমেছি। আমরা আমফানের জন্য এখানকার মানুষের জন্য কিছু রিলিফ নিয়ে এসেছি। Right now there are quite a number of people here and families who lost their livelihood and have lost quite a number of their belongings and homes in the cyclone. The administration has been very helpful to us.